Hello, today is the seventh day of so-called Spring Festival, which pretty much uh, represents the end of official Spring Festival completion. So as you can see, there are a lot of people are actually hiding their way back to their working place. So here I'm actually in the railway station of the city called Shijiazhuang, and pretty much in the early morning around 6 a.m. So this is kind of quite a typical scene uh, for people return to work from their home after this long national holiday of so-called Spring Festival. So I will turn around and show you what it looks like. So on.
请您整理好自己携带的行李物品，由12、13B 检票口检票12站台上车。由石家庄开往北京西方向的高6702次列车现在开始检票，请您整理好自己携带的行李物品，由12、13B 检票口检票12站台上车。Dear passengers, your attention please. Ticket for train number G6702 from Shijiazhuang to Beijing is now checking. Passengers for train number G6702, please check your tickets at ticket check 1213 March with all loyal